Many of us in applied linguistics have used Chris Brumfitt's definition, the investigation of phenomena, real-world problems in which language is a central element, a central focus. Now, that definition has been very helpful. But I think the Oxford Applied Linguistics series embodies that definition and provides further definition in Coherence. When I think of all the topical areas that it has covered, all the topics it's covered, from second language acquisition to multilingualism, plurilingualism, to language planning and policy, to language testing, to discourse, to stylistics, and on, it really does bring coherence to applied linguistics and embodies it, as I said. Another thing about the series is that it represents quality. I believe Henry Widdowson, having been the founding editor and the series advisor for a long time, along with Christina Whitecross as editor, has brought to the series a high bar. And I believe it has continued to be met or exceeded. And I'm pleased to be involved with a project, with a series that's of such high quality. I only have to look at the number of prizes that have been garnered over the years by titles in this series. The Ben Warren Prize, the International House Prize, the Ball Prize for Best Books, the Kenneth W. Mildenberger Award that the Modern Language Association in the United States awards, the Myra Shaughnessy also award that the Modern Language Association in the United States awards, the English-speaking Union's Duke of Edinburgh Book Prize. All of these prizes and others have been at one time or other conferred on a title in this series, and I think that speaks to quality as well, especially given that there are only 3 or so books published a year. The number of prizes is one indication of the quality. And finally, I appreciate the series because it is primarily the result, each book is primarily the result of a single author or perhaps a co-author. Now, there's a place in our field for anthologies, but I appreciate the authorial voice of this series and the fact that in each book, somebody with considerable expertise has taken a stance. I think that's also an important feature of the series and one that I'd like to see continued.